once in a while, we eat a healthy dish, right? We got to get those kiddos nice omegas, some healthy greens. This is the dish for you. Your kids are gonna love this one. It is full of so much flavor. This is my crispy salmon rice bowl. You're gonna love it. Let's get to cooking. I don't know about you, but I love anything that's gonna make my life easier, and just getting a microwave bag of rice is gonna do that for me. So I just went ahead and bought a big old family size, and I'm going to add some oil down here on my griddle. Gonna toss on this bag here. Now what the griddle is going to do is it's gonna act like that microwave. It's gonna heat up that already cooked rice, but this is gonna be a little bit different. Normally right now I'd be adding some water down to steam it. What I want to happen is I really want this to get super crispy, hence the crispy in the name of the title of the recipe. So we're just gonna let this kind of cook down. You wanna get it kind of flat where everything's touching the griddle, all right? And then we're gonna add our goodies. So all you're gonna need to this rice is some soy sauce. I like low sodium. And then some chili onion crunch. You can find this at any grocery store. Now, of course, you can make as much as you want, right? Today, I'm just making one bowl for myself. But if I'm doing it for the family, I can make a whole bunch of this, which is perfect on the griddle, as you know. Okay, we'll let that cook. Let's talk about our salmon here. Salmon, I just got one slice going. I do no skin on this, but if you wanna use the skin, you certainly can. We're almost gonna have it like shredded. All said and done at the end of the day. We're gonna add some pepper to this. Okay, and then we are going to add some ground ginger, just a little bit, okay? And then we're gonna put this on the griddle, a little bit of oil down here. And there goes the salmon. Now, while that's cooking down, we gotta talk about the best piece of this whole entire recipe, the sauce. The sauce is so easy, so good, adds such a great element to any kind of salad. So you can actually pre-make a whole bowl of this, put it in your refrigerator and use as much as you want. I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado oil to my bowl. I'm gonna do about 1/4 cup there. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey, about 1/4, actually, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar and sesame oil, and a sprinkle of my ground ginger. Need a little whisk, so I'm just gonna use this same old fork here, totally fine. And we're gonna whisk it up. Looks delicious already. Actually, I just realized I gotta add a little bit of soy sauce on this. This is not something you have to do, but I like to add a little bit of soy sauce sometimes, and I think this one needs it. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. That'll do it. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna check on our rice. Let's go ahead and toss this. Oh yeah, all right. So we're already forming that crust, as you can see. So we're just going to flatten it out once again, just like that. See, it doesn't even need the water component. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and check our salmon. Just do a little quick peek. Beaut. All right, we're gonna go ahead and flip her. And while this is cooking, we will talk about what's gonna go in our bowl. So all I'm gonna be using is some cucumbers. I've got some edamame as well. These are gonna be the base of my greens. Edamame, buy them frozen. So on your griddle, just gonna add down, sometimes they run away, so watch out. Just gonna add down your edamame here. And then we are gonna use some water on these. These are super quick when they cook, so these don't need to be on here very long at all. Edamame has a lot of protein in them, and the kiddos don't mind it at all. So let those get cooked up. Let's check this rice one more time here. We're gonna do a little quick flip check. You can see the crispiness on there, absolutely beautiful. The edamame are looking ready. I told you literally it's like 1 minute on here, so quick. You can also buy in microwavable bags too if you're really, really trying to be even quicker. And just gonna put a little bit on here, leave these guys for the rest. Couple more minutes on the salmon and then we'll be back. So we're gonna flip this salmon here. It's looking delicious, but this rice is ready to rock. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in the bowl here. Just about a good amount to where you want it grounded in the bowl. We're gonna cut up an avocado. I love avocado. Now, if your kiddos don't like this, you can totally take it out. Once that's cut up, we are going to just kind of add all the goodies inside. We're gonna add our cucumber, that edamame we cooked down, a little bit of avocado on the side, and then I think it's time to bring over our salmon. I'm gonna put the salmon in just a little beautiful part of the plate here. Let it get all huggied next to those cucumbers. Some green onions to top it off, and don't forget that yummy sauce that we made. Just pour it on top, y'all. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful. This is a healthy bowl, y'all. Okay, it is healthy. Now, what I like to do normally is shred my salmon and mix it all up. For today's purposes, I'm going to just kind of get a little bite of everything, from the rice to the edamame, cucumber, all of it. Here we go. The sauce makes it. The flavors are just incredible. You're getting a little bit of everything. But at home, here's my advice to you. Shred that salmon, give it a good toss, and the kiddos won't even know the amount of veggies that are in this thing. But remember, you gotta keep it quick, you gotta keep it simple, and most importantly, you have to keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I'm gonna see you on the next episode. Cheers.